Hey everybody, you know who this is, right? Okay, I'm sure you do. Okay, well, look at the sky now. Look at the beautiful, beautiful blue sky. And it is like a 100% difference than what we had yesterday. As I was trudging through the tundra, going to work in the snow and the sleet and the rain. It was horrible. This is the same road. It's incredible. Snow is still on the ground, but not on the highway. It's clear as a bell, and it's gorgeous out. It's 36 degrees. I'll take it. It's slightly above the freezing level, and I'm happy with that. That's for sure. This is a gorgeous day. It's like, it's just unbelievable. I mean, yesterday was so treacherous, trying to drive through all the snow and the sleet and the rain, and dangerous, just absolutely dangerous. But here we go. Another day. Another day. So anyway, I made it home from work last night in one piece. It wasn't that bad. The plows plowed the roads, and they salted the best they could. And I'd say that the snow ended about 5 p.m. yesterday, and then the plows and the salters and the sanders, they hit the road and did their thing, and didn't take them very long to clean it up. My hat's off to the men and women who drive those plows. They did one heck of a job. They really did. They did absolutely great. Okay, well, I just wanted to say hello to everybody, and this is going to be a short blog because I am seeing a lot of state troopers around here, and I don't want them to think that I'm using my cell phone. So anyway, that's all I got for today. I'm on my way to work, and it's a beautiful day, as you can see. So until next time, remember what I always say. Love each other, because we are all we've got. Have a great day, everybody. This is Love B. There's the snow. Yeah, thank God it came off my hood. That was bothering me the whole time. Remember what I was... Oh, Lord, I'm making myself laugh. Okay, you take care. Have a wonderful day, and we will see you really soon. This is Love B signing off.